Now, Ria's father, Indrajit Chakravarti, is also being grilled for the third straight day. In fact, on Wednesday, Ria's father had to face grilling for at least 9 hours by the CBI. While on the first day of interrogation, he faced questioning for about 8 hours. Ria's father was primarily quizzed on Ria's relationship with late actor Sushant. Ria and her parents are among those named in the FIR registered by the Patna police for allegedly abating Sushant's suicide. In fact, also allegations of misappropriating Sushant's money has been posed and slapped against Ria and her family. Now, Ria's brother, Shouvik Chakravarti, was also grilled by the CBI 6 times so far. He's also under ED lens in the drug deal or the drug link here into this case. The CBI, meanwhile, has questioned Sushant's flatmate, Siddharth Pithani, cook Neeraj, for about 13 days straight. The CBI has so far not found any substantial evidence really that points at alleged murder as conspiracy had it. In fact, there are a lot of reports about how this could be a murder, this could be conspiracy. Now, the probe agencies have not found anything substantial to show or call this a murder. But the angle of homicide has not been officially ruled out as yet. Vidya joining us live for more details on that. Vidya, Ria Chakravarti's father, Indrajit Chakravarti, has been called in again. Yesterday, he faced 9 hours of grilling. What is Ria Chakravarti's father being really grilled about? Do we know the kind of questions that the CBI is posing to him?
Well, they are certainly probing Indrajit Chakravarti quite closely. In fact, if you look at the entire line of questioning, it is with regards to yes, what Shouvik has, the entire chat that has come about where drug dealing refers to a certain dad, whether that's a code word or whether it is the Shouvik's father, that is Indrajit Chakravarti, who's being mentioned in those kind of drug chats. Well, that's one thing that is being questioned. Apart from that, obviously the bigger fact is that they really want to know what kind of intervention Indrajit Chakravarti really had when it came to the life and times of Sushant Singh Rajput. Remember, he was, there are telephonic conversations that have come to light wherein Sushant Singh Rajput, when he's dealing with his financial transactions, where he's talking about saving up, and that Sushant, Indrajit Chakravarti himself was present. What did he really have so much of, intervention, whether he could actually decide Sushant Singh Rajput's way of saving his money? That's something that they really want to know. That's the reason why this entire line of questioning is happening. And remember, after they question Indrajit Chakravarti, they will be speaking to Ria Chakravarti again, because they need to cross-question her on whatever is being told by Indrajit Chakravarti himself.
Right, Vidya, thank you very much for joining us with those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.